Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to add a progress bar on your website on Shopify. I mean, progress bar can be this one or this. Progress element will allow you to display the percentage of product or brand information you want to let your visitors know, such as, you can show users the percentage of customers' distribution by regions, the percentage of ingredients in your products, or anything else you want to show as a circle or line. Before we start, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. Okay, let's start adding progress in your Shopify store right now. First, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Now choose an existing page that you want to add progress element. You can also create a completely new page by clicking the Start Building button here. In this video, I'll select my existing landing page. Welcome to EComposer Editor. As mentioned earlier, progress is used in many different situations. In this video, I will create progress to show the average number of customers visiting our offline stores in 2023. I will choose a section with a 4-column layout. In the first column, I will put the heading and text to show progress information. See details on how to use these elements here. For the remaining 3 columns, I'll drag and drop the progress element into each column, and each progress corresponds to a branch of my offline store. Okay, this is the display of the progress element when added to the EComposer editor. Now, we will configure this element. The first is the Content tab. Add progress style. You can select either a circle or a line as the style for the percentage bar. With progress line, you can use the stripe effect by clicking Show Stripe and selecting Animation Stripe to create interesting movements. With percent, you can adjust the progress percentage display by dragging the percentage bar here or clicking directly here to enter the percentage you want. Next is progress. You can choose the color for the percentage used here. Additionally, you can choose the color for the inactivity percentage at track. Last in the Content tab is thickness. With this option, you can freely adjust the thickness of the progress line or progress circle. Okay, we will go to the Design tab. The Design tab allows you to adjust the number displayed within each progress. EComposer provides some basic settings like alignment, typography, text color, text gradient, and text shadow that can be changed. Okay, now I will practice editing my progress. I have completed my progress. With 2 progress in the remaining columns, I will duplicate from the first progress. So I only need to edit the percentage to my liking. To help customers clearly distinguish each branch, I will place a heading element under each progress. To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a progress element to my page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.